see that dog earlier? It went there inside. So he must be the one that digging hole on that side fence over there earlier, because he was there by the fence, and then now he's at the neighbor's yard ranch. See, I think he wants to come here. Whoa. He's going around. Don't come here. Watch. Uh-oh. Maybe he's trying to find a hole. Uh-oh. He's right there. Uh-oh. Don't do it. Don't do it, dog. Maybe he hears the squirrels and the birds. I think he wants to come here. He's over there, but our friends. Uh-oh. There he is. He went through that hole. Just stay there, mister. Don't dig a hole here. And then why you want to come here?